In this module, we're going to walk through how to rebrand a PLR ebook or course using AI, specifically ChatGPT. This is one of the most powerful tools you can use to take a generic product and make it feel completely original, even if you're not a writer or designer. Let's say you downloaded a PLR ebook from the vault. It has good content, but the title is bland, the voice isn't yours, and the formatting needs work. That's where ChatGPT comes in. First, open the ebook and copy a section of the content, maybe a chapter or a few paragraphs. Then head to ChatGPT and paste it in with a clear instruction, like, rewrite this in a more conversational and engaging tone for an audience of new entrepreneurs. ChatGPT will give you a cleaner, fresher version in seconds. You can repeat this process chapter by chapter, or summarize long sections into tighter, punchier points. You can also ask ChatGPT to come up with a better title for your product. Write a compelling product description. Suggest new angles for marketing the content. Turn parts of your ebook into a course script or email series. This tool saves time, boosts creativity, and helps you avoid the feeling of staring at a blank screen. But here's the key. Don't just copy and paste everything ChatGPT gives you. Read it, adjust it, add your personal tone. Keep it aligned with your brand. Even small tweaks make a big difference. Now, if your product is a video course, you can use ChatGPT to improve scripts, generate lesson outlines, and even create bullet points to keep your content tight and focused. You're not cheating the process, you're enhancing it. This is how modern digital entrepreneurs work smart. You're saving time while still delivering value. In the next module, we'll shift to design and show you how to create stunning product covers and visuals using Canva, even if you have zero design experience. Let's go.